Hey guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV. So the Poco M3 was a very well received device as it is considered to be a great bang for your buck device. So when Poco announced the Poco M3 Pro 5G, I wanted to see how this phone stacks up against the competition. And I would also like to know whether Poco has released another best bang for your buck device. But first, here's the unboxing and my first impressions of the Poco M3 Pro 5G variant. Now taking a look at the unboxing, it comes with a typical Poco yellow box with the Poco M3 Pro right in the middle. Then on the bottom side of the box, you'll see the variant that you've picked and the color choice as well, where in my case I have this 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage and the color of Power Black. Opening the box, there's a smaller yellow box with the SIM ejector pin on the outside, where in there you'll find some of the Poco stickers, the user manual and the soft clear phone case. Then underneath you'll find the phone itself. Below that you'll find the USB-A to USB-C cable and the 22.5 watt charging brick. Now look at the phone's design and build. It comes with a plastic shell with a pretty minimal finish at the back for this Power Black variant. Now the phone has a glossy finish to it, and the cool part is that this finish at the back kind of catches the light in a very interesting way, where you can see a sort of a gradient finish from the camera bump area. Then of course you'll find a very huge Poco branding down below. And speaking of the camera bump, once again, it is medium size and it does wobble a bit when you type it on the surface. So overall I have to say that the phone does feel very good in my hands, just that I'm not a fan of the extremely huge Poco branding, but of course that comes down to a personal preference. Next, look at the ports and buttons down below. Other than the USB-C port, there's the mono speaker grills. Then on the right there's the volume rockers and the side mounted fingerprint sensor, which doubles up as a power button which unlocks decently quick. Then on the left there's a SIM ejector and the micro SD card slot expansion. Then finally on top there's the headphones jack, the microphones and the usual IR blaster. Next, looking at the phone's display, the Poco M3 comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution. It has a 90Hz refresh rate, which is really nice to see within this price point. Now the display is also what Poco calls it a dynamic switch display, which means that the refresh rate will vary between 30Hz, 50Hz and 60Hz, where apparently this will come in a software update. So overall, my first impressions for the display looks pretty decent, especially again within this price range. Then in terms of cameras, the Poco M3 comes with a triple camera setup, where first it has a 48MP f1.79 26mm wide lens. Then there's a 2MP f2.4 macro lens and a 2MP f2.4 depth sensor. Now the reason why I said triple camera setup is because I'm sure you guys know how I feel with this kind of camera setup. Similar like the Redmi Note 10 5G, I would consider this just a single camera setup where there's only just a single useful lens. Then look at the front camera. It has a 8MP f2.0 wide sensor. Then when it comes to video recording options, both the rear and the front camera records up to 1080p up to 30 frames per second, where during my first impressions overall, the pictures looks decent and video recording for the rear camera was nice. Then as for the front video recording, it was decent with great image stabilization. Then as for the insides of the phone, powering the Poco M3 Pro 5G is the MediaTek Dimensity 700, which is built on a 7nm process. Now this chip seems to be more of a norm for mid-range chipset because it provides good performance and also allows the 5G connectivity at a decent price. Then the phone also has the Mali G57 MC2 GPU, which is rather decent within this price point. Then when it comes to the phone's battery, it has 5000 mAh of battery with support up to 18 watts fast charging, but the charging brick has a maximum charge of 22.5 watts as mentioned in my unboxing. So this is a rather big battery, so it will be interesting to see how it performs on a long run, especially since the chip powering the device is also really efficient as well. Then in terms of software, the phone comes with MIUI 12 on top of Android 11. And as for making of this video, it was updated to the version 12.0.8. Now my thoughts on the MIUI 12 overall is still not at its best still compared to the Poco F3. So I have to test out further to see how my overall experience is using the phone every single day, especially with a smooth 90Hz refresh rate. Then finally, looking at the price here in Malaysia, the Poco M3 Pro launches at 699 ringgit for the 4GB of RAM with 64GB of storage and 799 ringgit for the 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage. And it comes with 3 colors for you guys to choose from, which is the Poco Yellow, Power Black and Cool Blue, where it will go on sale on the 6th of June exclusively on Shopee, where I'll leave links down below for you guys to get yourself one. So guys, with this, do let me know what you would like to know about the Poco M3 Pro 5G at the comment section below, and let me know if you guys are interested for me to do a full video review of the phone. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my quick first impressions and my unboxing of the Poco M3 Pro 5G. My name is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.